Hi, my name is Hayley Brown and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this crop protection. Now we have used this wire, however you can use mesh as well depending on what crops you want to protect. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make a frame for my strawberry bed, which is actually behind me here. And as you can see, it's quite long, it's 3.4 meters long. So I'm going to do mine in two sections and all you need to do is measure your bed and change the dimensions accordingly. I have cut 4 lengths at 1.7 meters, so this is half of the length of my strawberry bed behind me. And then I have 5 lengths at 1.1 meters, and this is the width of my bed. And then the last one I've cut are these, which are 30 centimeters tall. So this is really going to be the maximum height that your strawberries are going to grow to. So you don't need it any bigger. However, if you're doing it for a different crop, you can adjust the height. And now I'm going to fix them all together with my impact driver. And that is the frame complete. This is a really easy one, and as I said, you can make it to exactly the same size as your bed. So next up, all we need to do is cover this with chicken wire and staple it all in place. And that is the crop protector finished. So all I've done is added some hinges on that side and handles on this side to make it really easy for me to open. Now this is a great project that you can do any time of the year. And the reason being is because this mesh is 35 millimeters. So it's going to allow your bees and any pollinators to get through and pollinate your flowers without the birds then getting to them and eating all of your crop. So the other thing that I've added here is some straw on the bottom. If, like me, you're planning to put strawberries in your bed, then I would always recommend putting a layer of straw or hay around all of the plants. This is going to do quite a lot of things for you. So one, it's going to hold the strawberries off the surface of the soil so they're not going to rot on the dampness. It's also going to retain the moisture in the soil so there's less watering for you to do. The slugs and snails are not going to like walking over the straw and hay, so it's going to be perfect for protecting your crops against those hungry mouths. And the final reason is it's going to stop your weeds from coming up because the straw is going to block the sunlight from the soil. So all in all, it is a really good idea to put something down. I really hope you've enjoyed this project and can tailor it to your growing space at home. Please do subscribe for more projects like this.